New developments in one family's fight to get their dog back. A Chicago alderman is now stepping in and taking an animal rescue group to task. CBS 2's Tim McNicholas has been on this from the start. And Tim, this alderman saw your stories and decided to do something.
Erica, Alderman Raymond Lopez says he saw our coverage of a dog who ran off just a few weeks ago but already legally belongs to someone else. Now, the original owners in this case don't live here in his ward, but he says he's heard similar stories in the city and he wants to make it right.
So it's difficult dealing with the emotions of that.
Symara Moses tried to stay strong, but as she told her story to Alderman Lopez,
I have never experienced this in my life. This is so hard.
Her pain poured out. Her struggle starts July 5th, when her dog of 10 years got scared of the fireworks and ran off.
He was not microchipped or tagged.
The Moses family didn't know, but animal care workers found Kobe the next day. He stayed at Chicago Animal Care and Control for 3 days before the rescue group Fetching Tails Foundation took him in. The group says they neutered and microchipped him, treated an ear infection, and then, after about a week with Fetching Tails, another family legally adopted Kobe, and now that family won't give him back.
He's a family member,
You know,
that they're holding hostage right now.
Symara wants Fetching Tails to arrange a meeting between the two families, but Fetching Tails stopped responding to her emails Sunday. They don't list a phone number online, so last night Symara showed up at their fundraiser, where a co-founder wouldn't discuss it.
No, this is not happening. This is an event.
Today, Fetching Tails' lawyer sent Symara a cease and desist letter telling her to stop harassing them in public spaces.
For the city of Chicago to do business with partners like that, who don't want to be questioned for their actions, that is not something I'm comfortable with.
Fetching Tails' lawyer says the new owners are aware of what's been going on, but none of that matters. There is a legal contract. Now Lopez plans to call that lawyer himself to try to set up the meeting.
And if they pursue this whole, we've done our legal best, don't bother us anymore, there are things that I can do, and I will be happy to tell them that I am not confident in their abilities to be good partners for the residents of the city of Chicago.